Greetings to classmates. My name is Giovanni Peña Herrera. I'm studying the bachelor degree in English as a foreign language program in the course Qualitative and Quantitative Method. For the present stage, I choose the article Male and Female Students Uptake in Responding to Oral Corrective Feedback. I choose this article because it's important to know how we make a good or correct feedback to our oral feedback to our students, depending the course or the level they are studying. First of everything, we know that this is a qualitative research that use an observation method. Let's remember there are some methods like sample surveys, interviews, but in this case, we are using the observation method in a class of 6 hour classroom interaction between students and the teacher. Then we need to know that errors or mistakes produced by the students are indicators or progress, where through these mistakes, the teacher or the observator can see what are the best tools that we can use in order to make good feedback. So you can use these strategies to make a good observation. Let's remember there are six strategies that they are recast, meta-linguistic feedback, clarification, request, repetition, elicitation, or explicit correction. These strategies are we going to use them during our observation. Let's remember that observation includes some questions that we understand that we must answer previously to make the observation in order to understand what is the purpose of the research. The first question is what did you observe? What it means, what are the students that we are leading with? The level, they are elementary, high school, or with a specific purpose. The second question is why did you do the observation? What is the purpose of the observation? The third question, where and what time did you do the observation? It's important to know that how long are we going to do the observation? In this case, in this article, they are making an observation in 6 hours of classroom interaction. The last one, what did you learn from the observation? The purpose give us some findings, some conclusions that we need to know what are we going to do with these results, with these outcomes. Then, of the answer of these questions, we need to start with the research using, in this case, the qualitative method through the observation. In this case, during 6 hours, it's important that we know the observer doesn't have or doesn't make interaction or participation in the classroom activity. This is good to know, important to know, because it's a impartial observation. We just take data, and this data is made through the kind of observation that we are going to do. The types of observation are a structured observation or unstructured observation. For this case, the structural observation that we're going to do refers to the analysis of the data making according to the strategies. And structured observation means that the observer take different parts of the class and make a deep research, a deep analysis of the every strategy used. It's not simply an overall observation in the classroom. After that, we get the findings here in this graphic. We can find the findings according to strategy. The strategy we find, and at last we can say that in some cases we can see that some graphics or data we have found in the qualitative in what qualitative research, but it's important to make a differentiation between qualitative and quantitative research. We find graphics, data, numbers, but they are used to in a qualitative research. I think this is everything. Please make your comments for the present video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.